Pond filters are essential for maintaining clean, clear water and healthy aquatic life. The growing demand for efficient filtration systems is driven by pond owners seeking low-maintenance, high-performance solutions. This guide evaluates the top pond canister. List number: the OASE BioSmart 5000 pond filter is a high-capacity solution designed for ponds up to 5,000 gallons. Its multi-stage filtration system combines mechanical, biological, and chemical filtration to keep water crystal clear and free from debris. The integrated UV clarifier helps control algae growth, maintaining healthy pond conditions. OASE's modular design makes maintenance straightforward. The easy-access media baskets allow for hassle-free cleaning without dismantling the entire system. Users appreciate the high-quality construction, including durable materials that resist corrosion and UV damage. The pump is efficient, yet energy-saving, reducing operational costs over time. This filter is ideal for koi ponds and larger garden setups, delivering reliable performance even in heavy-duty applications. Its quiet operation, coupled with consistent filtration, makes it a favorite among pond enthusiasts. Overall, the OASE BioSmart 5000 combines efficiency. List number: the TotalPond Complete Pond Filter is a versatile filtration system, suitable for medium to large ponds. With a built-in UV clarifier, it effectively controls algae while removing fine debris and organic waste. The pressurized design ensures optimal water flow and efficient filtration. This system comes with multiple media compartments for mechanical and biological filtration. Cleaning is easy, thanks to the removable media trays, reducing maintenance time significantly. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure long-lasting performance. Users praise its reliable UV clarity and consistent water circulation. Ideal for ponds up to 3,000 to 4,000 gallons, the TotalPond Complete Filter supports healthy aquatic life and reduces pond maintenance efforts. The included installation guide simplifies setup, making it suitable for beginners and experienced pond keepers alike. Overall, this filter offers list number 3. The VEVOR Pressurized Biological Pond Filter is a powerful solution for ponds up to 3,200 gallons. Designed for ease of use, it incorporates pressurized biological filtration that promotes beneficial bacteria growth, supporting a balanced pond ecosystem. This filter includes a built-in pump and multiple media trays, ensuring effective mechanical and biological filtration. The pressurized design allows flexible placement, even partially submerged, offering convenience for various pond setups. Users highlight its strong performance, durability, and energy-efficient operation. Maintenance is straightforward, with accessible media trays and quick-release valves, minimizing downtime. Its compact, yet robust design is ideal for koi ponds, garden ponds, or decorative water features. Overall, the VEVOR Pressurized Pond Filter combines efficiency, durability. List number: the VIVOHOME Pressurized Biological Pond Filter includes a 13-watt UV light for effective algae control and enhanced water clarity. Suitable for ponds up to 2,500 gallons, this system provides thorough mechanical and biological filtration to maintain healthy water conditions. Its pressurized design allows installation flexibility, while the media trays promote efficient bacterial growth and waste breakdown. The built-in UV light helps prevent green water, providing crystal clear conditions for fish and plants. Users appreciate the filter's easy maintenance, reliable performance, and compact design. The VIVOHOME system is particularly suited for koi ponds and ornamental water features, supporting optimal aquatic health. Its energy-efficient operation reduces long-term costs, while the durable construction ensures longevity. Overall, the VIVOHOME Pressurized. List number 5. The FishMate 3000 PUV Pressurized Pond Filter combines biological filtration with a UV clarifier to maintain clean, clear water for ponds up to 3,000 gallons. The pressurized design allows flexible placement and efficient water flow, ensuring thorough filtration throughout the pond. This filter includes multiple media compartments for mechanical and biological filtration, supporting beneficial bacteria growth and debris removal. The integrated UV light controls algae and minimizes water cloudiness, providing a pristine environment for fish and plants. Users praise its durable construction, energy-efficient operation, and ease of maintenance. Ideal for koi ponds, water gardens, and decorative ponds. The FishMate 3000 offers reliable performance and consistent water clarity. Its compact design fits conveniently in pond setups without occupying excessive space. Overall, the FishMate 3000 PUV Pressurized